Well, as long as someone's there to open it back up. Whitehouse Nature Center, Albion, Michigan. Center's closed today. They're looking at the map. Looks like there's like a little bit of a bridge over here. There's the college over there.
Yeah, this has all across the north front.
So right here?
Oh, look at these cars. Watch what you're doing.
Watch what you're doing. You're the one that's about to
That's
fall.
what I'm talking to myself. Watch what I'm doing. These are cool.
Oh, that don't look good.
What doesn't look good? A little frozen.
Or the...
No, the water spigot.
Oh, yeah.
I like the eagle here.
Monitored by remote cameras. Let's go check out this bridge on the other side.
Yeah, but how do we get there?
Hey, it says it's open. Does anyone want to guess? Do you want to see if the door opens?
There's a...
This area is monitored by cameras there.
Let's check it out.
It's not.
Well, there's something in here.
Is it? Oh, see, there's a restroom right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go.
Look at this. There's a restroom right on.
Oh. Turtle. Well.
Oh, look at that.
Andrew's just like in a classroom.
Hey, look, it's a snapping turtle.
Fight him?
Yeah, he's right there.
Oh. You getting the face up?
Maybe close-up shot.
Well, as long as someone's there to open it back up. What?
Little piggy, let me run. That's by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Okay. There's the bridge over there. We'll have to check that out. I like the shelf of ice on that island thing. You see that? That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
It's like an ice shelf.
Yeah. Probably flooded at some time.
No bicycles, please. Love that ice shelf. There's one over here too. This one's more profound than the other one.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Lots of geese.
What is this thing in the middle?
There's an army of them.
Birdhouse in the middle of it.
Is that a birdhouse? Uh-oh, there's an army of Canadian geese.
Oh, wow. I didn't see them.
Oh. What's someone there?
Are you gonna feed them? He's feeding them.
That's why. That's why. They know where the food is.
What could go wrong?
Andrew, no. We're gonna turn back.
Andrew,
Ooh,
you're on
yeah.
thin ice.
You're walking on thin ice.
Turn back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn back.
Get going. This is thicker.
Snow dropping or something.
What?
Just cold.
Oh yeah.
I saw some rabbit. Oh, rabbit.